How do I use Amazon advertising credits in PPC? Amazon is going to allow you, and it's going to sometimes incentivize these promos, these bonuses, sponsor brands ads, $500 coupon, try it. This is all for you and you can invest it. So what we're doing on our end is we are like everything that is given for free, especially for Amazon, we're going to take it. However, we're going to be cautious of using those advertising credits to see how those credits perform. Why I'm telling you this is because recently for one of the brands that we're managing, they were offered the $500 advertising credit for sponsored brand ads. What we did on our end, first off, for sponsored brand ads, you need creatives. So we had to make sure that we have creatives in place. And then once that we had creatives in place, there was no guarantee that those creatives are going to perform, right? So what happened on our end is that this is for one marketplace from the brand, selling on multiple marketplaces. So we tested the same idea on 2 marketplaces. I'm not sure if it's the Canadian or the US marketplace, but I know that it was the same strategy on 2 marketplaces. We were using the same creatives because they were ready and we could test them. What happened is that because it's $500 and because it's not that much money and because you're not going to invest, like this is so much money, especially for the brand is spending around $10,000 at least per month on each marketplace, so around $20,000 in ads. 2025. This was $500. What is tricky about this credit is that yes, Amazon is going to give you the first payload. Just try it out, see how good it is. And if you're going to forget about those campaigns, they're going to eat up parts of the budget that you didn't want it to spend. I would be cautious about whenever you're going to set up these ads to look at them like a hawk. Be sure that you're going to stay on top of them. Otherwise, what can be happening is that you might be ending up with spending on things that were not within strategy and you just don't notice.